Hi guys, welcome to the behind the scenes of our pancake food art challenge. So if you haven't watched the video yet, you can view the video on the top right. I'm not sure where's my right. Right?
In this video, we'll show you how we made our pancakes and our successes and fails in making the pancakes. So enjoy watching us fail. Woo!
Okay, so these are the materials I'm gonna use today. Here I got the pancake mix, I got blue food coloring, and instead of cocoa powder, which I researched, I'm gonna put Milo powder into my pancakes to make it darker. Let's hope it works. And Nutella as a topping, and some Ziploc bags to squeeze out the pancake mix. Okay, so I accidentally dumped too much blue food coloring inside. Look at this. Oh my!
So I decided to buy Green's pancake shake, mainly because I'm too lazy to make pancakes from scratch. But I'll probably make one if I have to. And then I bought some rainbow colors, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, now we're just gonna, this is really simple. All we have to do is add water into the pancakes and mix it. So yeah, let's go. We have 4 colors: yellow, red, green, blue. So with these colors, we're gonna make more colors. Yeah. Okay. So I've decided to make 5 colors: white, pink, yellow, brown, black. Black for the outlines, white for backup, and then the other colors, yellow, brown, pink, is what the 3 pictures needed. So yeah, we're gonna make some.
I tried.
We go for coloring.
Yeah.
That's so funny! I want white color. Drum roll. I'm gonna flip it. Ready? Yeah, it's not. No. How come that side? How come? rest of it. So we come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching our behind the scenes and we hope you liked it.
Yeah, like, did you see the first pancake I tried? It was so messed up. It made me laugh for so long. But anyway, hope you enjoyed watching. Please like and subscribe because our goal is to get 1,000 subscribers, and if we do reach that, we'll be very, very, very happy.